Hi, this is Kim from Affordably Crafty. So for my second dye kind of experiment or experience tonight, I'm going to try these two Kool-Aid things that I found at the Dollar Tree in my last Dollar Tree haul. So it'd be interesting to see if this sourness in this with the more citric acid has a different effect than regular Kool-Aid. So I'm just going to be working with this mini skein of like this. I'm assuming this is wool because it feels like wool. But I'm going to be using Shocking Blue Raspberry and Snappin' Green Apple. So here I'm going to use the green apple first. Now when you look at it, it doesn't really look colored, so I don't know if this is going to work or not, but we're going to try it. I'm going to try and speckle. Doesn't look like there's a lot of anything on here. I'm going to try the blue one. The blue one does look like it has some color in there. So I guess we'll have to wait and see. But ooh! It is turning green. Can you see that? Doesn't look like it's green in the package. Ooh! Geez, that is turning blue. Look at that. And that was white in there. Well, that's cool. Smells like a citrus bomb went off in here. Actually, this looks pretty cool. Oh yeah, look at that. That's cool. I didn't think that was going to come out with anything. Sprinkling some more of the green apple out there. Going with the blue. There's more powder than I thought was going to be in these individual things. That's for sure. Well, that looks pretty cool. I'm very excited by this. Just going to use the rest of the packet up. Okay. So actually, I think it looks pretty cool right now. Hopefully these colors stay. It's pretty awesome looking. I'm gonna roll it on up. To a jelly roll. Oopsie. And I'm spilling the stuff everywhere already. Alright, now we're gonna microwave this. No idea how long. 30 seconds? How about a minute? Try a minute, because it's a mini skein. See you back here in a couple minutes. I put that in for 2 minutes. It's hot to the touch. But I mean, it's looking pretty awesome. I'm pleasantly surprised because when I opened it and I saw no food coloring, I didn't think it was going to turn out this good. We'll see what happens when it gets cool. I can't wait. Hi, I'm back. So the yarn that we dyed with the Sour Kool Aid is now cool, or cold. So we're going to open it up and see what we got. So I'm pretty happy with this. This is what we look like right now before we wash off. It's kind of a blue-green, but it's kind of mixed in certain spots. Looks pretty awesome. Let's now try and wash this off. Let's see how much dye comes off. That's good, hardly anything. Add some soap. Oh. Add some soap now. I feel like that wasn't enough soap. I'm going to put a little bit more in there. Still clear. That's good. Silver and clear, that's good. Let's put it in the salad spinner and see what we look like with a little bit less water in you. I'm going to give it another whirl. This is what we look like. Actually a pretty nice color with the blue and the green. Kind of an aqua. Speckled design a little bit. Kind of glad I used the whole packet. So I'm going to put this up to dry, and then we'll see what it looks like when it's done. Alright, please subscribe. Like my video. Thank you. Bye. Hi, this is Kim from Affordably Crafty. So our Kool-Aid skein of yarn has dried, and I am very, very happy with how these colors came out. It's a really nice speckly, the blue and the green mixed in certain spots to be this really nice aqua type color. I really think the colors came out pretty vivid. I am very happy with this. I'm glad to see that the Sour Kool Aid worked as well. So, a success on my first project with dyeing. Please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos about dyeing and hauls and yarn and all different corners of the craft universe. Please like the video, and I hope you come back for our next one. Thanks so much for sticking around. Keep exploring.